I'm Julie Fowlis, and I'm a traditional singer. I mostly sing in Scottish Gaelic, and I play traditional music, and we're here at Celtic Connections, and you can hear we're just backstage at the main auditorium in Glasgow's Royal Concert Hall. The music of the islands in Scotland, it's fiery. In the Western Isles, there's obviously a big Gaelic influence, and the Gaelic language comes through in both the content and the rhythm and the style of the tunes and songs. But it's really special music. There's a connection between Islanders, I think, and island life and island music. And whether you're singing songs in Gaelic or playing tunes on the fiddle, quite often the songs, or the stories rather, that inspired these pieces, the stories are all kind of one and the same.
My name's Donald Shaw, and I'm a one-part member of Capercaillie. We're here to do a performance as part of Coastal Connections Day, as part of Celtic Connections, and celebrating the Year of Coasts and Waters. I've heard it say, and I think it's true, that if you want to understand a country, you should learn the songs and music of that country to understand the people, and I think it's very true of the traditional Gaelic song. For us as a band, you know, over the years we've done a few Highlands and Islands tours, and a bit of island hopping with Calmac, and little halls all around on the islands.
My name's Daniel Gillespie. I play with Skerryvore. Tiree is a very West Coast traditional in terms of the music that we were brought up with, and what it's known for is particularly, you know, bands that play for ceilidhs and dances, and that's what we grew up as kids. People should go to the islands because it's, you know, some of the most beautiful locations in the world. I'm very fortunate to travel around the world with Skerryvore and see places, but, you know, without being biased, Scotland's still the most beautiful place in the world. The islands are the most beautiful place you could go, and I think you always think it's an adventure. It's not, you're not going on a simple holiday that's going to just be getting in an airport and arriving there. You know, we always say that to anyone coming to Tiree music festivals, that prepare yourself, you're going on an island adventure, and that's a whole part of the experience and the journey. So, you know, getting up early to go and get that ferry at Oban in the morning, and making the 4-hour sailing down the Sound of Mull, that's all part of that experience before you even reach Tiree or any of the other islands. So it's an experience that everyone should try and make at some point in their life.